Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send your money from Coinbase to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App and you need to get your Bitcoin address because Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that is supported by Cash App. So you need to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to your Cash App. To get your Bitcoin address, you need to click the bank icon on the bottom menu. Then you need to click Bitcoin, scroll down until you will see deposit Bitcoin. Get your Bitcoin address, click it and copy your Bitcoin wallet address. Then you can close your Cash App and go to your Coinbase wallet. Okay guys, now you can send your Bitcoin from Coinbase to your Cash App. If you have got your money in other cryptocurrency, you need to use swap function. Just swap your coins into Bitcoin and then you can go to send, choose Bitcoin, enter the wallet address we just copied from Cash App and send your Bitcoin to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.